treatment process of magnetic carbonization. Pyrolysis furnace for waste. Organic matters are first fumigated at a low temperature of 20 to 100 degrees Celsius, then dried and gasified at 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. After cracking at 150 to 280 degrees Celsius, carbon and tar are produced. The carbon falls downward and undergoes further thermal decomposition at 300 to 380 degrees Celsius to form powdery negative ion ash of calcium compounds. Tar flowed upward to the chimney, intercepted and collected for refining into industrial oil. The whole process requires no fuel, oil, and completely avoids the formation conditions of harmful substances such as dioxins, heavy metals, and fly ash. The temperature of flue gas discharged from the chimney keeps constant between 20 and 60 degrees Celsius with zero environmental pollution. As an outstanding waste treatment device, it makes remarkable contributions to global environmental protection.